Right, I'm going to make some links for the wires. Right, I've got several of them, so I'm going to do some here. Here's a link, and it's got a little ferrule on that. I've got to flatten that with a tool. Right, okay. So I've got to get some monkey shit put on it to be going rusty or anything. Around there. Yeah, I've got to make a little tool then to flatten it properly. Right, so I'll just go over here. That bit. Right. Well, there's this little tool I made, simple little thing. Put in there. And a nice big hammer. And you get it nice and level now in the middle. The other side. Put it over there. Just flatten it. Right, there's one. Simple. Right. Right, I've got some of these. Another one there to do. Same idea. This is a spar here. Just a little bit I got left. Right, here's a 3/8 bolt. Right, so we got the landing wire. Now we got aluminium little doobie on there. That goes on here. On the other side. Flying wire. This is just a gash nut there. So, okay, right, landing wire goes up to the king post. This is the flying wire down to there, goes to here, to there, and here you've got the drag wires. These are two drag wires, two on one with a bolt to it, so that goes to drag wire, another drag wire. Okay, so we've got plenty more to do and get it done. Right, yo.